Chapter 3, Keeping Track. In this chapter, we cover two items: the importance of keeping track of the shots you'll need and keeping track of your expenses. You'll learn about databases and the benefits and limits of trying to plan and predict a movie's success. The perfect budget. To prepare your movie budget, estimate sales income and expenses. Great! Now subtract expenses from income. Next, throw the paper away. You don't need it. It's just a fantasy. Think I'm kidding? Did you include credit card interest, parking, not to be confused with parking tickets, wear and tear on your car, per mile, gas, wear and tear on equipment, backup hard drives, daily expenses like rent? Database everything. A lot of production companies use spreadsheets to keep track of information, but I prefer database. It lets you search any word and sort any field. I love them. Let's say I'm preparing an outdoor shoot for this project. I search video and exterior. Bingo, I have my shot list. Of course, it took time to enter this data, but now I can find it literally in 1 second. Reports can include a contact or mailing list, language translations, sales and expenses. You can completely customize it to your own specific needs. Movie making is all about details, so the easier you can organize them, the better. A database helps keep track of all shot types needed. A spreadsheet does too, but a database has the most options for sorting information and creating reports.